Distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, and welcome to the Atoyebi SAN, also known as Omaplex Legal Tech Innovation Challenge, the unveiling of the top 3 winners. This challenge is the very first of its kind, and I am excited to be a part of this. My name is Oluwadara Afon. I'm a legal practitioner at Atoyebi SAN, and I will be moderating the event for today. We are about to start, but before we do that, I would like to point out some icons on our Zoom facility that would aid in the smooth running of our events for today. We can see a chat box icon that is for participants to drop their comments and observations in the course of the events. Should you have any connection problems and all, you can reach out to the IT department through the chat box icon. And also we have the question and answer icon that is for any of the participants would have in the course of the events. Like I said, this is the Atoyebi SAN Legal Tech Innovation Challenge. It was organized by Omaplex Law Firm in conjunction with the Law Students Association of Nigeria. Omaplex Law Firm is one of the leading law firms in Nigeria, established with the purpose of bringing specialists in different areas of law to provide the highest level of technical legal expertise to clients. The Omaplex Legal Tech Challenge was targeted at law students in Nigeria with disruptive and innovative ideas, with the aim of supporting and helping them bring these ideas to fruition. We do this, of course, by providing seed funding and technical support to ensure that these ideas become a reality. And today we will be unveiling the top 3 winners. And of course, they'll be going home with cash prizes and technical support from Omaplex law firm. And so to kickstart this August event, I would be calling on the head of the corporate and commercial practice for Omaplex law firm, in person of Ms. Damilola Imong. Ms. Imong, it is an honor to have you here with us today. Please kindly unmute yourself and let us have the welcome address. Over to you. Ms. Damilola.
Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, you're welcome to the Legal Tech Innovation Challenge. I welcome everyone this very good afternoon. My name is Imong Damilola. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it is for me a privilege to be in the midst of great-minded people this afternoon. I must sincerely commend the organizers for bringing such innovative ideas to light, and most importantly, the learned Silk OM Atoyebi SAN for the opportunity to make this possible. Innovation is the implementation of a new or significantly improved product, good or service, process, new marketing method, or a new organizational method in business practices, workplace, organization, or external relations. It has also been described as an act that endows resources with a new capacity to create wealth. The key theme with the provided definitions is doing something that creates value. Therefore, simply put, technology innovation is doing something that creates value with technology. The just concluded Legal Tech Innovation Challenge could not have come at a better time. It is time to take advantage of the numerous options technology has provided us with and begin to adopt same with the plan of having its benefits for the advantage of the legal profession and life in general. With this challenge, we received numerous submissions, applications, and all submissions were indeed innovative and welcoming. I must commend every one of you on your submissions. However, while everyone is considered a winner, we can only award a few, and our top 3 picks would be unveiled today. I urge all participants not to relent, but rather take steps to finish what you've started. I leave you with this quote and hope to resonate in your mind. If you're brave enough to start, you're strong enough to finish. Once again, welcome and congratulations to all our winners. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ms. Damilola Imong, for that warm words of welcome, and also thank you very much for the encouragement. We have put together a list of the top 12 entries. Of course, we received a lot of entries for this challenge, but we have put together a list of the top 12 entries, and we'll be running through that list shortly. I'll be calling on one of the judges that was responsible for the review, of course, of the entries, and that's in person of Mr. Babatunde Olafisoye. Mr. Olafisoye, over to you.
All right, thank you very much, moderator. Can you hear me? Please, if you can hear me, just anyone? All right, so thank you very much. So we received a lot of entries, like the head of corporate department said, and I'm really excited to present this part of the program. So we, like she said, the moderator said, we received a lot of people, but then we had top 12, and from the top 12, we had to pick 3 winners. So I'll be listing the names of the persons and the product name and the description of what their ideas were about. So the first person is Ken Pat from the University of Uyo. His idea was Robo VLL. I suppose that would be Robo Virtual Law Library. So description is a virtual law library modeled into artificial intelligence chatbot and available on Facebook and WhatsApp Messenger so as to assist legal professionals and will-be professionals in their quest for legal resources more efficiently, effectively, quickly, and at no cost. So the second participant was Great Johnson from River State University, and his product name was Know Your Rights, as KYR. It said KYR is an easy-to-use mobile application with a primary aim to tackle police brutality that enables the user to search using keywords that would grant the user the ability to discover knowledge which they can apply when they find themselves in a quandary with uninformed men. The third entrant is Shisom Ogbunando from University of Nigeria, Nsukka. The product name was the Court App, an application software that allows one to file legal processes electronically, make filing fees, payments, and issue receipts, show court sessions live, and publish information about the state judiciary. So the next person was Osang from University of Calabar. The product name was the 21st Constitution, and the idea, that's the description for the idea. I said this idea emanated from the need to centralize in the laws of the nation, therefore simplifying the research of the laws of the nation. Sorry, thereby simplifying the research of the law, make lawyers easily accessible in Nigeria, and also being updated on the changes of the law due to its dynamic nature. The next person was Oluwatoni Olubumi from Adeleke University. So the product name was the Wigas app, and the description for the Wigas app was, Wigas is a proposed online platform comprising of 3 main components which exist in the legal field: legal services, research and training. The idea is to create a virtual hub that gives easy access to and allow ease of use for lawyers, law firms, potential clients, law students, courts, etc. All right, so the next person was Uche Nakalu from Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. The product name was the Law Students Best Stand LSB software. The software is a legal edtech product designed to provide long-awaited solutions to problems encountered in legal education and learning space with 2 innovatively designed sub-packages. According to him, now he said our product is set to solve a myriad of problems in legal education. So I'll be moving on to the next person. That's number 7 now. That's Daniel Unveilng from University of Ibadan. His idea was Law Droid, and from his description, he said Law Droid is a dual-purpose software that performs principally law reporting, case analysis functions. Also, compared to existing alternatives of law reporting softwares, Law Droid goes a step further to furnish the user with regular notifications on various cases and statutes when there's been changes in the position of the law, thereby enabling the user keep track of developments in the law and facilitating continuous legal education. So number 8 is Adam Busari from Crescent University. So simply the description of, okay, there was no name here, but the description according to him was a database of all cases ongoing in courts in Nigeria. The 9th person is Mohammed Abdul Rahim from Usmanu Danfodio University. The description also, okay, the name also was not provided, but the description was provided. It said it's a unique innovation with distinct advantage over any alternative. It involves new technology with an ability of human intelligence. So the 10th person was Joseph Aro from the University of Nigeria, Enugu campus. The name of the product was Nurix, and the description is an AI software for legal research, document analysis, and contract review. The 11th person was Victor Abba from University of Jos. The product name was Logo, if I'm pronouncing that right. That's if I'm pronouncing that. So the app Logo is specifically designed to solve three basic problems, including the bulkiness and boredom of reading law reports, client management, and finding a court or a specialized law firm in Nigeria. The final person was, last but not least, was Uchenna Eke Awa from Abia State University. And the description, or product name first now, was Fine Legal. And the description is, according to this person, is Fine Legal is a service that aids clients to get in contact with lawyers or law firms. So I'll take that again. Fine Legal is a service that aids clients to get in contact with lawyers or law firms. So for the purpose of emphasis, again, I'll be going over the entries from the beginning, from the first person. So the first person was Kempat from the University of Uyo, and product name was RoboVLL, a virtual law library modeled into artificial intelligence chatbot and available on Facebook and WhatsApp messengers so as to assist legal professionals and would-be professionals in their quest for legal resources more efficiently, effectively, quickly, and at no cost. The second person was Great Johnson from Rivers State University, and the product name was Know Your Rights, that's KYR. The description, KYR is an easy-to-use mobile application with a primary aim to tackle police brutality that enables, flowing from that to say KYR enables the user to search using keywords that would grant the user the ability to discover knowledge which they can apply when they find themselves in a quandary with uninformed men. The third person was Chisom Ogunando from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. The product name was the Court app, and the description was an application that allows one to file legal processes electronically, make filing fees payments, and issue receipts, show court sessions live, and publish information about the state judiciary. The fourth person was Osang from the University of Calabar. Product name was the 21st Constitution. The idea emanated from the need to centralize the laws of the nation, therefore simplifying the research of the law, make lawyers easily accessible in Nigeria, and also being updated on the changes of the law due to its dynamic nature. The fifth person was Oluwatoni Olubumi from Adeleke University, and the name of the app was the Wiggers app. Wiggers app is a proposed online platform comprising of three main components which exist in the legal field: legal services, search, and training. The idea is to create a virtual hub that gives easy access to and allow ease of use for lawyers, law firms, potential clients, law students, courts, etc. So sixth person was Uchenna Kalu from Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. The law students best stand software as LSB software. This is a legal edtech product offering designed to provide long-awaited solutions to problems encountered in legal education, learning space, with two innovatively designed sub-packages. Our product is set to solve a myriad of problems in legal education. The seventh person was Daniel Nwelum. All right, so University of Ibadan, name of the app was LawDread. Description here is LawDread is a dual-purpose software that allows principally law reporting and case analysis functions, also compared to existing alternatives of law reporting softwares. LawDread goes a step further to furnish the user with regular notifications on various cases and statutes when there has been changes in the position of the law, thereby enabling the user keep track of developments in the law and facilitating continuous legal education. Sorry for the so as not to waste much time, I will just run through the names of the persons that's entrants now. The eighth person, Adam Busari from Crescent University, no product name. The ninth person, Mohammed Abdurrahim, no product name also. Number 10, Joseph Arab, name of the product was Nurix. Number 11, Victor Abba from the Joseph Arab was from University of Nigeria, Enugu campus. 11th person, Victor Abba from University of Jos, name of the app was Logo. 12th person was Uchena, aka Awa. Name of the product was Find Legal, and she or he was from the University of, Abia State University. So also to take us through how this was conducted, also we had video entries and we also had presentations from the competitors. Sorry, so from the entrants now, and we had our top 3 picks, which are going to be announced very soon. So over to you, moderator.
Thank you very much, Mr. Babatunde. Ladies and gentlemen, trust me, that was just a tip of the iceberg, the icing on the cake. And I'm very sure from that you would agree with me that the legal profession, especially as regards legal technology, has a very bright future. It is now time for us to hear from the managing partner of Omaplex Law Firm. He is none other than the Leonard Silk Atoyebi SAN. Of course, he's the youngest senior advocate in Nigeria, and he has contributed immensely to the growth and development of the legal profession. He's particularly passionate about the growth and development of young lawyers and young law students. It is my great honor to invite to the microphone for his speech and remarks the Leonard Silk Atoyebi SAN. Leonard Silk, sir.
Thank you, Madam Moderator. How are you doing today?
Very well.
Good afternoon, everybody. I hope we're all hearing me. I want to say thank you to everyone for making our time for this program. Most importantly, thank you to all the participants, the team members, and every other person that worked for this project. Before I give my speech, I just want to say that in life, if we do not adapt to changes, it becomes a problem for us. And as, of course, lawyers in equity, and of course, lawyers here, we all need to know that the profession itself is changing. And thankfully, the young ones that we have here, they're the ones that, like they say, future of tomorrow. And of course, you need all that is possible, all the tools that you can use to ensure that you get to wherever you want to get to. And that's the reason that informed this challenge. All of us are winners anyways, as far as I'm concerned. Ours is just to ensure that you put your brain and your mind to task. And that's the essence with which we've done this. And so I go straight to my my speech for today. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, and the entire Lawsonites here present, I bid you all a warm welcome. It is for me a singular honor and privilege to witness this day and sharing the success recorded so far. In the words of Tony Robbins, the only impossible journey is the one you never begin. Indeed, we have crossed the mark. I would personally like to appreciate the panelists and participants for taking out time from their busy schedules to join us today, and most importantly, my team for putting all this together. Since the emergence of the internet and technology, the legal profession has witnessed a lot of setbacks as it concerns technological innovations specific to the legal profession, and has not been able to match up with the current trends and technological advancements over the years. Unfortunately for us as lawyers, it's as if the whole world is moving forward and then the legal profession is still dragging behind. And God forbid a day that the legal profession gets swept away, and of course the technology moves on and the whole world moves on. With the rise of virtual legal assistant, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, the internet as a whole, e-discoveries, automation, 5G cellular network, and lots more, we need to keep abreast with such technological changes and be open to learning so as not to be left behind. This is a task that the Atoyebi SAN Legal Tech Challenge seeks to address. According to a report, anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or at 80. And there are so many ways learning can happen, either from reading a book, making research, asking questions, taking bold steps, action towards a goal, etc. The Atoyebi SAN Legal Challenge is intended to provide support to lawyers, the legal profession, and also bring these innovative ideas to fruition. And may I say that this is just one leg to it. I hope that my team will make it a yearly event or an annual event so that have more innovations and we'll have a lot of people keen into it. To all participants who turned in their entries, I say well done. Indeed, you have exhibited great passion for the profession. My advice to everyone, no matter the outcome of today's result, I encourage everyone to be positive, keep moving forward. And in the words of Winston Churchill, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Get better at whatever you are doing and make it become a reality. For the winners of the challenge, as the popular saying goes, to whom much is given, much is expected. It is not time to be carried away by the excitement of winning. Rather, consider it a huge task ahead of you to keep up the resilience and team spirit you've shown and follow through till your ideas become reality. Remember, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. And may I say at this point also that given your ideas, I'm sure there are a lot of people you can partner with, people you can work with. There are a lot of innovators out there. There are a lot of people that want these your ideas. And I believe strongly that you'll be able to partner with people either locally or internationally. As one of the key drivers of technology in the legal profession in Nigeria, our intention is to provide growth, opportunities, and support for budding lawyers and the entire legal community. On that note, it is with great privilege I announce the top 3 teams on the Atoyebi SAN Legal Tech Innovation Challenge. In the 3rd place, the team of Joseph Arop, University of Nigeria, Enugu, and their prize money is 50,000 naira. Congratulations. In the 2nd place, the team of Chisom. Excuse me. In the 2nd place, we have the team of Chisom Ogunando, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, and the prize money is 70,000 naira. Congratulations. And of course, the 1st place, the team of Oluwa Tony Olubumi at Adeleke University with a sum of 100,000 naira. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to you and your team. And I hope that you will not stop there. You will continually push yourselves and to ensure that your ideas are known, your ideas are turned into goals that everybody is looking out for. This is also a good time to inform you all that our virtual internship application portal is open for entries. I urge all law students to take advantage of such opportunity and make the best out of it. The essence of the virtual internship application for us is to ensure that lawyers or budding lawyers or law students would have first-hand experiences on what transpires in a law firm. And from my own private experience, when I was in the university, I started working with a law firm from my 100 level. I worked as a litigation secretary and a library assistant, which I did for 5 years of my life. And of course, that was really the foundation for where I am today. And when my team came up together and said they wanted to do a virtual internship program, I said it's really a fantastic idea. So this is giving opportunity to everyone. I'm sure that as you go through it, strongly you learn one or two things. And then of course, it's just to ensure that when you come to the real world, you'll be able to apply the things that you see from there. From me, I say thank you once again, and I wish you all the best in your endeavors. Thank you so much. Over to you, Madam Moderator.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much for those wise words. And thank you for giving back to law students generally. Thank you for your innovative ideas, and thank you for funding this challenge. At this point, we would be hearing from our winners. We'll be inviting them for comments. I will be starting from the second runner-up in person of Mr. Joseph Arop from the University of Nigeria, Enugu. Mr. Joseph, if you can hear me, kindly unmute yourself and let us have your comment. Okay. Mr. Joseph, yes, we can hear you, please.
I'm very happy and I'm delighted that such a competition was organized by our learned Silk, and I'm also very happy to be among the winners of the competition. And I'm grateful for Alex Law Firm, the encouragement they are giving to law students and innovators in the legal technology sector. And I do hope that in the future we could partner and work together to ensure and enhance the legal technology industry in Nigeria.
Thank you very much, Mr. Joseph, and congratulations to you. We'll be hearing from our first runner-up now in person of Ms. Chisom Ogunado. I'm really sorry, I do apologize if I murdered your name. Ms. Chisom, please kindly unmute yourself and let's hear from you.
Good afternoon, distinguished Bennett Silk, members of the Nigerian Bar present, and my fellow colleagues. It is indeed a privilege to come in second place in the Atoyebi Legal Tech Innovation Challenge. And I say congratulations to my fellow winners. I thank Leonard Silk for this opportunity to challenge the creative and innovative spirit of young advocates. God bless Lausanne. God bless Omaflex Law Firm. God bless.
Thank you so much, Ms. Chisom, and congratulations to you. I'm so excited to see a woman or a lady be the first runner-up, and of course, the winner of this challenge. And of course, I'll be calling on the winner now in person of Miss, Miss Oluwatoni Olubumi. Miss Olubumi, please unmute yourself and let us have your comments.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I'm very excited. I want to say thank you to Lausanne for this opportunity and to the Leonard Silk for giving us this opportunity to be innovative and to think outside the box. I want to thank my team, most especially Elias Ayobami, Opia Emmanuel, and Jesu Joba Leonard Adejumor for standing by me and just being with me when I needed them the most. I'm grateful for the opportunity. I'm happy that we won. I'm happy to everybody that helped us, my family that helped me this far. And I'm grateful to God for favor because it's only him that could have taken me to this particular position that I'm in. I'm grateful for my lecturer for pushing me to actually go and for pushing me to actually go and participate in this challenge, because it was something we learned. We saw half midway through the competition. We didn't have enough time, but we were able to put this together, and I'm happy that we won. I'm very excited, and I look forward to visualizing this idea and to making it something that would shape the legal world in Nigeria globally and also around the world. I'm very excited. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ms. Oluwatoni, and congratulations to you and your team. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, we would be having the issuing of the certificates. I'm sure that the certificates will be sent to every one of our participants, but of course we would be issuing them at this point, and I would be calling on the Leonard Silk sir to do that. Leonard Silk sir, over to you.
Okay, thank you, Madam Moderator. I'll be calling out the list of people. I must say that all of us are winners, like I mentioned, and congratulations to everybody that participated in this challenge. And like I said, we intend to ensure that it's more of an annual thing so that we can continue to improve on it. And of course, ensure that maybe by this time next year, we'll hear a feedback on what you guys have done with it and where you guys have gone. And of course, it doesn't mean that for the fact that you did not come topmost or as part of the first three, does not mean that your idea is bad. One of the stories that keeps inspiring me or keeps me inspired is the story of Microsoft. They started off in a garage, some school students, and one of the ones that really touches my mind is the fact that I think I read that there were about 5 people that actually started, or he invited 5 people or so, or 7 people, and only 3 people showed up. And even at that, it wasn't all of them that continued with the idea, just the same way as Facebook story is. So this is for everybody, all the people that participated. So the first on my list is to receive certificate is Victor Abba. I say congratulations to you, Victor Abba. Thank you so much for being part of this program. And please do not give up. Continue with your ideas. Number 2 on my list is Mohammed Abdurrahim. Mohammed Abdurrahim, congratulations to you and your team. I hope that, what I'll say is better luck next time. 3rd on my list is Adam Busari. Congratulations to Adam and your team. Better luck next time. 4th on my list is Daniel in Willum. Mr. Daniel and team, congratulations. Better luck next time. And 5th on my list is Great Johnson. To you and your team, Great Johnson, congratulations. Next on my list is Uchenna Kalu. Uchenna Kalu, to you and your team, congratulations. Number 7 on my list is Osang. Osang, congratulations, Osang. Better luck next time, congratulations. Number 8 on my list is Ken Pat. Ken Pat, to you and your team, congratulations. Better luck next time. Also, I have Uchenna Eke Awa. Congratulations, Uchenna Eke Awa. And of course, to our top 3 winners, you also getting the certificate of participation. On the 3rd place, like what announced, is Joseph Arop. Congratulations. I wish you and your team good success in future endeavor. 2nd place, Chisom Ogunando. Please, I apologize. Congratulations to you and your team. Congratulations. And of course, Well, the one that is going to pass on the baton next year to the next set of people, and of course, I hope you'll be able to mentor them as to what to do, and of course, how you did it. No other person but Oluwatoyin Olubumi. Congratulations. May I say at this point that I don't want to distract the program, but moderator, I think we should hear from Oluwatoyin Olubumi on the idea, maybe even if it's just for a minute or two, what the idea really is and the reason behind the idea, even if it's for a minute or two.
Very well.
Oluwatoyin, I hope I'm not putting you on the spot. Please just give us the reason behind the idea and then what backed the idea and how you were able to do it within a minute or two, please. Moderator,
Okay,
please, over to you.
okay, thank you for the opportunity. My team and I looked at the problems that the legal world, the legal profession in Nigeria are what they are going through. And we thought of ways, because of the quarantine, what actually motivated us was the quarantine. That was the inspiration behind everything, because our meetings had to be online. When we came together to rub minds together, it had to be online. Then we critically analyzed these problems and faced by the legal profession in Nigeria. Then we looked for other alternatives. What could the alternatives be? Is there a means of solving this problem? Then we tried to confine everything into a small hub, like an application that could just give the necessary equipment. And we tried to not leave any facet of the legal profession out. We also included research for students, so that students also can have the opportunity to actually research. There'll be materials provided on the hub if it is actually implemented. There'll be materials provided on there's legal research. Then it allows just professionals and students to come together and explore the full potential of the legal field at their fingertips with an application. Thank you.
Fantastic idea. Moderator, over to you. Thank you so much, Madam Oluwatoyin Olubumi and team. Moderator, please over.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Leonard Silk, sir. I just got the information that for our winners, the cash prize will be sent to your account numbers, and of course, the certificate, as I said earlier, would be sent to your respective email addresses. Ladies and gentlemen, you will agree with me that the journey of 1,000 years definitely has to end in a day, and gradually, of course, we're drawing closer to the end of our program for today. So at this juncture, I'll be calling on the president of the Law Student Association of Nigeria, LAWSAN, to give the vote of thanks.
Thank you. I sincerely find this a very great pleasure to be here today to commemorate with the winners. I think first of all, I should extend my very warm congratulations to the winners of today's event. It's one that is very, very, very remarkable. The history of our association, and of course, and the history of tech law in Nigeria. But foremost, I think it's important that I wish to state emphatically express my gratitude to a great man whose life has become a source of inspiration, and of course, whose inspiration, whose impact has been what we strive to achieve as an association. On behalf of the Law Student Association of Nigeria, I wish to say thank you to you, Leonard Silk, to the Leonard Silk OM Atoyebi SA. We consider this gesture from your law firm, of course, the Omaplex law firm, a very great one, knowing fully well that you're committing to an aspect of the legal profession which touches on the future. And of course, we are in times that demands the meticulously a meticulous attention in that aspect, which is the technological aspect of the future. And so we are really grateful that you are committing your time to not just the future, but of course an aspect of the future. Competitions like this are one that I think needs to be encouraged in all other aspects of our life. We see competitions like the Big Brother Nigeria encouraging some sort of social, societal vices amongst every other things. And we see competitions all around, but we barely find competitions channeled into the future. Of course, not just the future, but an aspect of the future that seeks to address the crisis we may encounter in the legal profession, or so to speak, the entrepreneurial world and what have you. And this is what I think your firm over time has been doing. And this is why we commend and we sincerely appreciate your firm for all your firm has been doing. And I must once again reiterate my unreserved gratitude on behalf of the National Executive Council, and of course, on behalf of the entire membership of the Law Student Association of Nigeria. We hope that as you continue to partner with us in ensuring that this initiative gets to law students, will someday in history live to remember that there was a firm, and of course, there was a man whose great impact was instrumental to budding the generation of new lawyers we have today, we are going to have in the future. Thank you so much, sir. I understand so well that you do not have, you're not doing this for all of the interest that you may seek to achieve in the future. But I know so well that by the time when it calls for uh, maybe let's say the presidency of the bar in our time, we'll be ready to kill ourselves for you. So I must appreciate you, sir. I must appreciate you. This is one that touches on not just the present, but it touches on our future. And I think it's what we labor to achieve. I think it's what every association labors to achieve. And this is a stride that should not just be commended by or should not be imitated by other legal firms in the country. But of course, every other parastatal of the federal government is a commendable one. And I must appreciate you, Leonard. Sir. Thank you so much for this very great opportunity. It's uncommon. To all the winners from the Apex body, I commend you all. And I really do hope that uh, the next time we are convening here, of course, I would not be the one by then, but the next time we are convening here, we should be discussing on how well you've all worked your ideas to fruition, on how well this initiative has impacted not just your life, but of course, the legal profession and the various spheres of your life. Thank you, and God bless you. Have a lovely evening. Oh, afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Emerson. John, thank you so much. I would like to give a reminder of our virtual internship opportunity organized, of course, by Omaplex Law Firm. It's an opportunity for young law students and young lawyers to learn, work virtually, and also gain experience. I'm aware that the registration timeline will be between the 13th to the 29th of August 2020. I would enjoin each and every one of our participants to take advantage of this opportunity. Distinguished participants, we have come to the end of our program for today, and I believe that it was, or it is, a huge success. And may I humbly, on behalf of Omaplex Law Firm and the Law Students Association of Nigeria, thank the Learned Silk, sir. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you for giving back to young law students and seeking to impact them and seeking to give them an avenue and an opportunity for them to express their innovative ideas and their creativity. Thank you so very much, sir. It is true that the measure of greatness is not in what a man has actually achieved or done, but in what he has given to others. And sir, you have displayed that so very well. Thank you so much for that opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, it is goodbye from my hand here. I'm definitely to see you next year. Good afternoon.